partial victory for Floridians facing crippling flood insurance rate hikes. The U.S. House of Representatives approving legislation to roll back some of those recently enacted overhauls of the federal flood insurance program. The measure, now headed to the U.S. Senate, would allow sellers to pass their subsidized below-market flood insurance rates to new buyers and then lower the cap on how much flood insurance premiums can go up every year. Governor Scott, who's been pushing for action on this issue, calling the House's action an important win for Floridians. And Democratic Senator Bill Nelson, who's also been at the forefront of this issue, says while it doesn't go as far as the Senate's bill, it is good the House has approved some curbs on these flood insurance rate hikes.